washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it.
Daddy, why won't you make food in the house?
Because if I make it, maybe you don't like it. So you like this food? You still not ask me why, man. When you put daddy duty, you leave a food shop. Your daddy needs to learn to cook more food. I don't think you guys gonna love stewed chicken or curry chicken. And that's all daddy can cook.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Yeah. But you like this food though? No, you don't understand? So what do you like? What do you want to eat?
Only rice and chicken.
What
It's
is it?
yummy.
And then-
And the lalo chicken and the lalo rice is yummy.
It's yummy.
That's why I just like
No, but eat the food. And then when you finish your food, I give you back the game. Alright? Daddy, me too.
No, you're not.
I am.
But you're lying.
I am. It's paper?
I
Yeah, so just put some clothes to wash. Just pick up some clothes as well. Trying to clean up before Swaggy come. As you heard my son say, Daddy, why you don't cook? Depending on what you call cooking. I'm a fast food cooker. Stew chicken, curry goat, me say. I can't really cook every kind of meat. Hence, and plus, I'm gonna be honest, I'm pretty lazy when it comes to cooking. I think that's my weakest point of being a husband. Good in the yard, good in a lot of areas, but cooking is not my thing. My perfect excuse that I always give: left home early to go and play. To become a professional football player, didn't spend much time around mommy to learn in the kitchen. Hence, by the time I really need to cook for myself, like when I start a family, I already get lazy already and broke bad with eating out. Plus, when I used to work, I used to just eat breakfast at home and eat lunch and work. Dinner, by the time I come eat out, so I broke bad. Hence, when I meet Swaggy, I used to cook for Swaggy in the beginning, but I said, when I can cook for Swaggy, I can't cook for kids. So, no, I'm not a chef. I'm pretty lazy when it comes to it, but yeah. All in all, you can't be the best at everything. I can cook, so please don't get it wrong, I can cook. But not so good with the kids stuff. But make them breakfast. So for these few days, I guess I'll be harder and take out all lunch and dinner long. No lie. I might try cook 1 and 2 of the days. I'm gonna try him. I'm gonna try cook some curry chicken and see if I can eat it. I'm gonna try some stewed chicken and see if I can eat it. I'm gonna try it. By the time tell me say daddy I don't like it. Yeah, so yeah. Swaggy called me not too long ago. They induced her. She get her epidural, so she said her pain will go away and she's waiting to give birth. So yeah, I'm just home. I clean up, wash, wipe out, clean out. Make sure come home to a clean home so she's not come out doing nothing. Yeah, she can just come home and chill. I'm sure she got tired. Yeah, so let me get back to doing that. So this is the room Swaggy's always hiding. Oh, get Swaggy an iron board. But I cleaned it up. Sure, she's gonna be surprised. This is supposed to be Mila's room. See, empty. Just a few baby stuff and the kids back to school books and shoes. Literally the room empty, so supposed to just get some stuff for it, but when I decide on that yet. I don't think she's gonna sleep by herself for now, so. But this room to work on. Just trust me, you don't want to say that before. And so I never want to shoot. It was like a storage room at one point, but yeah. Sure, it's like a surprise. So just finished cleaning up the kids' room too. Nothing's too hard. Just stuff to throw away a lot of their toys. These baskets, they have too much toys, like baby toys. So not really throw them out because I normally put them out separate. And people normally, some people put them up outside. Sometimes the guys will collect the garbage and put them one side. Yeah, so there's a lot of toys, them kind of just outgrow them. Yeah, so I just put them one side. Yeah, so not bad. So you can call this getting the house ready for Mila and Swaggy. So yeah, kitchen need to wash some plate. Need to take on this. The kids them always full up the kitchen counter with toys and Legos. No matter how many times we make them take it down, them end up back. Almost look like a design. And yeah, I have a broken fan. When Swaggy asks for a fan, you wonder why I'm not have one at home. This broke, but the kids them swing pan it the other day, broke it. And I just never throw it away. Just use it. And then them saving pan. So I get them for that shit, but I just can't. It's still a wreck. And comes in handy gear low view. So we have 2 for the living room. When we take back that one from the hospital. Yeah. Living room look somewhat clean. We need to clean cherry cage. I've been saying that for days. Cherry. I've been saying for days. I cleaned the cage last week, Cherry. Me and Alisa. Hey, Cherry. What's up? So yeah, Cherry cage look kinda very dirty. Cherry got water too, so I'll get Cherry a bath shortly. Hey Cherry, man, sort you too, don't worry. There guys, I'ma get back to cleaning. Hey, so we just get a phone call that Mila is here and Mila is okay. Leo, you just jump up. You happy? Yeah, guys, I just.
Oh, my friend is talking. Look.
Oh, cool. Yeah, guys, Mila is here. Yeah, guys, so I just called me. So Mila arrived and Mila is okay and Mila is in good health. Wow, thank you, Jesus. A healthy bouncing baby. Can't wait to go pick her up at the hospital. Oh, so Swaggy actually sent me a picture in an email, so I'm gonna check it and I'm gonna be home. Still a clean up, pack up, close them, and as soon as we can't repeat the hospital. We can't repeat the hospital. We come to the hospital. Mila. Leo, Danny, Mila is here. You know? Excited? Yeah. Alright guys, let's see the hospital. Huh? No, I'm not present. No? I'm far. Leah, Leah, do something. Leah, spin on something down here, sir. Leah, stop on mom bed. You want to go up or down? Leah, stop here on bed.
Everybody says, baby,
Nico, baby.
you know?
He's going. It's good on but it's normal. Yeah.
You ever had any anemia problems?
How long will it
What you normally take before? You normally take HB Forte or what hematinics you normally take?
Vitamins?
Like
Just bring it up.
prenatal? They're finished?
Yeah. You look sick. You look sick.
No, I was looking at your mucous membranes. They're a little pale, so you could do with some, if your age, depending on your HB.
Drink like
Huh?
2 vitamins.
It went up in the SSD this morning, and I probably should tell you what she will send you home on.
Come on, let me get to the way.
Sorry.
this flowing, alright? As long as she's breastfeeding, no problem. So that is what we want. Yes, good.
Let me get that for you, Nick.
So we started.
She do, the baby do, and the baby feed. Pee. And they wouldn't let her out without. And the first.
Yeah, milk strong.
Mm.
And that was thick. Real. Whipping cream.
So, yeah, I need to go to the RGD register and look for the RGD lady. Happy? Oh. You have everything, huh?
It feels so stressful.
Slap by there?
I like me to know mirror that versus our this. You know, when they just take it out, I was so happy when they just took it out. I was like, yes, when they put the retainers, you just feel like, you know, some 70-year-old lady. They'll draft pack, because we have that, you know,
Okay.
emergency
Mm.
put in pack.
Okay. Maybe you get used to it after a while. Maybe take some time. Maybe it takes some getting used to. You just say you need to go. She said you need to go.
Yes, I do. That was the public health nurse I was talking to. Your baby would have got BCG.
Mm-hmm. Okay, see you. Bye.
Your baby will be getting BCG today, but she's putting it off until tomorrow. So you're gonna come back to hospital tomorrow morning by maternity ward to get your baby's BCG and Hep B vaccine.
Okay.
Baby.
Yeah. Have any time for that? Like, is there a time frame? Like that?
Yeah, she's normally here by about this time and about 8.
Oh.
About 8 then time there.
Okay, that's why she take the number, so she'll probably call me if anything.
You need to come. She just told me that she's coming tomorrow morning. You see, the vaccine's coming a little vial like, so she don't have enough babies. She can't open one.
Oh, okay. Oh, so she could just come for one for she alone. I get what you mean.
Exactly.
Okay.
So she'll have those on maternity plus.
Okay. Oh, this one. Yeah, but maybe not enough for today. But me that
Not for today.
yeah. But just try to find out the time frame for come tomorrow. So I say if she could call me or I don't know what time for sure.
Come and just come by
But you say she should come 7:30?
7:38.
Okay, alright.
8 o'clock. You're not going to 8 o'clock.
Alright. 7:38.
Hep B. They give them
Hepatitis B?
shot now.
Hep
They're
B?
giving them hepatitis shot now.
Okay. Yeah, Leah get that. Huh?
Hey, don't put around.
No, I'm not tell the nurse. Leah know already where I get.
No, that's her job.
That's her job.
That's her job. She's a
Yeah.
public health nurse.
Probably can. Yes. Okay, so outside of that, is maybe just Dr. Nang for come and see her and check her out?
Dr. Nair is gonna come and see her, assess her, see that everything is okay.
And then ship her out.
Probably, yeah.
Okay, because I need to see Miss Williams, them say, for the RGD. RGD, but I think at 9 o'clock, them say she, well, at 9 o'clock, she write on the paper.
Okay.
So I go walk up there, almost 9 now.
Why do you have a towel?
And yeah, so I say, I can't finish that and come
I'll
back.
up there then so you have to come.
She left a note with my wife, so I give what she tell her when she get the note. No, me, oh, no.
copies of documents.
Oh yeah, she left some documents where she need to have.
Copy of passport.
Yeah man, I have them. So I don't know if I come, she go come here, or me, but me I go try to find her. Them say,
I don't think so.
yeah, so me I go look for her. Them say she normally on the ward. She left, she put 9 a.m. on the paper.
But if she come to me, I'm gonna look at those papers.
Yeah.
Normally I have to walk with them.
Mm-hmm. So me can.
But I don't hear this, so normally they would come down here. I don't know what is happening. I don't know who is working. You understand?
Mm-hmm. Yeah guys, so getting ready to leave the hospital. I had to pay some money though. So I had to pay for this. I had to pay 5,000 Jamaican for the stay, the one night stay that Swaggy stayed here. You know Swaggy's a foreigner, so she has to pay for the service at the hospital. She don't get it free. Only Jamaicans get stuff free. So the first bill I got was actually 11,000, and we had to clear some things up because Swaggy didn't stay on the maternity ward, but there was a charge there for 2,000. I think 2,800. The paper said, so I had to go back and let them know that she didn't stay. She actually just came and we had left. We had left the same night, but yeah, it's 2,000 something Jamaican a night if you stay at the maternity ward. So you stay up on a private ward. Let me show you guys. Yeah, Kaiser ward. You spend one night, so that's a 5,000 that you have to stay. So yeah, so it's 5,000 a night to stay on the Kaiser ward. And what is 1,000? You have to pay 1,000 for some lab testing, I think. So yeah, heading back to Swaggy now. Should be. I think only the pediatrician need to come check the baby, and yeah, we're still supposed to get the BCG or something like that. We're still supposed to get those injections. Yeah, need to clear that up, and then we should be able to leave. So let's see. Is it here?
If Mila is here, Daniel will have to sleep in his own room.
Yeah, he has to sleep on his own bed, right? Mm-hmm. No more sleeping with Daddy. Do you think he can manage? He's gonna cry. Alright, what do you think?
Then where could we put him then? Still in the bed.
No, we can't hold in the bed. Mila's in the bed.
We'll put him still in his bed.
You're gonna put him in his bed still, even if he cries, right? Even if he says he's scared. He's 6 years old, he's a big boy now. When you were 6 years, long time you've been sleeping in your own bed, right? You're so
I'll never be scared.
Never be scared. That is a baby, man. Mommy over here, mash up our breakfast. Be some Kalaluna. Mina. You want to call Mina face. Big brother Leah. Yeah. Double big brother. No chef, they have porridge. Lydia come with the porridge. I don't know what kind of porridge, but you love some tea. It's not put in your order, yeah. It's what you get.
No, it's not yet.
All in all, how would you sum up your ex now? I'll leave that for Soggy on the island. You can't tell your experience. But yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. So remember, you can get your books on Amazon. This is our book, Life with the Stevens, Finding Financial Independence. Just search Life with the Stevens or Errol Stevens, and you can find my autobiography on Amazon as well. Please check the link in the description if you are interested in booking our Airbnbs in Portmore and in Ocho Rios. So thanks again for watching. Take care, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.